Oh, here it is, another one of Declan bushcraft shoals. I came down to one of my fishing spots and check things out. Fish a little bit. We got so all in here as we did. Then a whole lot of nothing. Snag, little hook. We just dip all around here, put in where you cast your hook out. Okay, get the bolt straightened out. Bring up a little tackle box here, and I've got some tackle equipment with me. But how much? I've tried this little one. Hopefully it won't lose any more hooks. There we go. Sounds like some idiot up there going to get the ticket with the driving. Alright, I should say. There we go. When you think you got everything, you don't. I'm not looking at it that way. And watch where you cast. You might just lose the hook. And I've got to reel fast, probably a little too fast for this area. Lots of places where you lose the hook in this area. Let's come down here. One of my fishing holes, my Declan bushcraft shows, and do the fishing. My new gadgets. Got a GoPro up to the chest, headband, and one for the wrist. And of course, tripods. And maybe try under the river, or under the fridge here. Oh yeah. Got it snagged up. It seems like it's coming slowly. And it's like, work it, baby, work it. I think I might have lost the hook there, possibly. But we'll see once it gets here in the end of the line. Oh no, it didn't. I'm surprised. The way it popped there, I thought I did lose the hook. Oh wow, that's a big cast. Ooh. There we go. Now on this area, there's a lot of hooks. But that's ups and downs in fishing here. I'm gonna try something a little bit different. Even though I don't think it'll work. Oh, you need a little bit more line than that. There we go. Hopefully that'll be enough. And grab a bobber here. And just try this for the heck of it. It's been years since I've been fishing. Even way back in the good old days of my youth of fishing. But we'll see how this works out. There we go. Bobbering and everything. There we go. Kind of reminds me of one thing of a certain cartoon. The pig is like very, very quiet. And the guy's catching me behind that. And plus I got another channel, Declan Bushcraft. Plug that one and this one. Not to mention the surplus place down here, it's close by. Got my majority of my survival equipment from there. Always going back and forth with dollar figure, like on it off, like okay. But part of business. They're pretty good place, knowledgeable staff at the survival outlet. Good staff, friendly. And you take people I know in there, it's just something stick by me, or you might get lost. If you look at the South Cub off my butt in this particular area, Kent Hills, you'll find them within 5 minutes or less. Yeah, no other area better than I do. Get a chuckle out of that. So you can go up the rod up here. Maybe not. Here we go. Let's see what that does. Even though I don't think I'll catch any fish in this area. That's it for a bit. And looking straight ahead, you see that yellow sign, that's for the helicopter on top where it lands. Nice red chopper. Can't miss it when it's flying. Hospital, about 3 miles that away, roughly, up in miles. When the chopper comes in, it's kind of like back up again in wherever flight plan is. Kind of fascinated how the chopper comes down. I know it has to do with the top blades, angle of it, but it is interesting. And over here ahead, got a couple of geese. And respect their space, and they'll respect yours, same with the other animals in the animal kingdom. Give them their space, they'll let you have yours, respect theirs, respect ours. And if you're ever going camping, always put your food down from the camp, hanging from a tree. That way, when the animals come, go for the food, not maybe into the camp, but you never know half the time with the animals. And see if he's doing good, just drinking, lapping up water. And in the background there, that's the Broadway Bridge. They're working on it, doing some resurfacing and stuff. East University Bridge. Oh yeah, I got some here. Or I should say looms. Oh yeah. Robert's spot on shore. I'm trying to be careful on the rock here. Oh yeah. Like I said, it's been a while since we was fishing. Here we go. Well, they probably go out fishing different sites, places here in town. On the other side, Starways Park there, Animal Park, and went a little bit past it. We start the pond. Pond, it was different type of fish. I grabbed this one or my fly rod, half one. So far it's like no fish yet, but it's like time well worth it. So maybe I'll call it a day here. Trying to watch where my steps so I don't fall. So pretty much call this day.